Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am just getting ready for work. Got the video uploaded for today, and I'm going to be heading to work here shortly. One thing I thought about doing was organizing all of the keys for the cars that I've ever owned and making a list of all the cars that I've ever owned, but that seems like it would be fun, and it'd be interesting to see all of the cars that I've owned over the years. Alright, back home from work, and I need to fix this phone for my neighbor. iPhone 8 needs a screen and a charging port replaced, I think because the microphone's bad. I'm not sure. I don't know much about it, but I'm gonna get this fixed. Alright, about 10 minutes later, if anybody wants to know what the inside of an iPhone 8 looks like, there it is. There's the main Logix board, camera, Taptic engine, speaker, charging port, replacing the charging port with a new one right there, and the screen and various screws all over the place. So yeah, that took about 3 songs, or about 10 minutes. I judge my time by how long songs are. Songs are usually 2.5 to 3.5 minutes. So averaged out, they're about 3 minutes. I'm hilarious. So now that I have this apart, I'm gonna put it back together. It's gonna take a little longer to put back together than it is to take it apart though. I forgot to show you guys that I got it all put back together. It is 9:19. I started putting it back together at 8:19, so it took an hour. Well, it took like 45 minutes, and then I dropped it off at the dude's house. So that one's all done, and now what are we gonna do? It's 9 o'clock. No, I couldn't think of anything else to do, so I'm gonna hit the hay. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking the videos, thanks for subscribing. And I already said it, but we'll see you tomorrow.